Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a language study calendar with Cozi, full guide step by step clearly. To create a language study calendar with Cozi, start by opening the Cozi app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to your app store and find Cozi. Once the app is open, sign in to your account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. Upon logging in, you will be taken to the main dashboard. Look for the calendar feature, typically located on the side menu. Tap on the calendar icon to view your available calendars. To set up a study calendar specifically for your language studies, select the option to create a new calendar. Name your calendar something specific, like language study schedule. Once named, choose a color for your calendar to differentiate it. Now that your calendar is created, it's time to add study sessions. Decide how many days a week you want to dedicate to language study. For each study session, click on the specific day in your calendar. Select the time slot that works best for you. Enter the details of your study session, such as the language you'll be focusing on. Add any resources or activities you'll cover during that session for clarity. Set a reminder for each study session to keep yourself accountable. Continue adding study sessions for the week or month ahead. Review your calendar to ensure that your study sessions are evenly distributed and realistic. Adjust timings and details as needed based on your schedule and commitments. Consider using the Notes feature within Cozi for additional tips or motivational quotes. Once your calendar is complete, explore the sharing options if you wish to share it with a study partner or group. Check back regularly to update your calendar as you progress in your studies. This structured approach will help keep your language learning organized and enjoyable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.